So let me start this video by saying that in case this code did not work for you, ask us questions on the discussion forum. We are here to help. Now, you may be curious about this file called Fresh Tomatoes. So let's talk about it next. Now, I want you to recall that this file, freshtomatoes.py, had a function inside it called Open Movies page. Now this function receives a list of movies and then creates and opens an HTML file or a web page that showcases those movies. By the way, it stores this HTML file in the exact same folder as all of your other movie program files. So let me go to that folder now. And here is my movies folder with all of my Python movie files right here. Notice that this is the HTML file that we just created by running our program. This is the file that actually showed us all of our movies and played the trailer. And here is the Fresh Tomatoes Python file that you downloaded from our website. Let me open it. All right, here is the code for our Python file, freshtomatoes.py. Now, while I won't go through this entire code in detail, I encourage you to read through this program. I want you to understand how it takes in a list of movies and creates a website to show those movies. Now, we've added comments to this file that will make this code readable. All right, the next thing we want to do is we want you to share the movie website that you've created thus far. So here is your task. We want you to create your very own movie website with your favorite movies. Once you've done that, we want you to share any one of the following two things with us on the forum. You can take a screenshot or an image of your movie website and share that with us on the forum. Or if you have access to a smartphone, we want you to record and share a YouTube video of you showing your movie website to a friend. Once you've submitted your responses on the forum, make sure to check this box.